this specific project at Flagler, we really wanted to create an environment where a future resident could walk in and they didn't feel like they were in a cookie cutter apartment complex. Flagler Crossing specifically, we haven't done anything in St. Augustine, Florida, so we were really excited to be able to incorporate that environment into a project.
A lot of times we do get the feedback of wanting it to feel like a hotel to get that luxury, but we're also thinking about creating a space where someone can really envision themselves living.
We want each project to feel special in its own unique way, and we don't want to click, copy, and paste from one portfolio into the next. So it was important for us to make sure that we still found something that not only hit the brief and was functional, but still looked unique, looked shoppable, but looked like it was meant for this space in particular. It was important for us to be able to include a lot of those blues, greens, cool tones, but also making sure that this space felt as natural to its atmosphere.
We have an amazing one-of-a-kind foosball table that's handmade. We have really fun tic-tac-toe pieces made out of petrified wood that kind of tie into that St. Augustine driftwood feel, but we've turned it and made it really modern and unique compared to any other developments that you see around.
Our team really takes it to the next level by not being afraid to kind of break open the boundaries. We're gonna include you in the process. Everyone is considered.
To offer turnkey installation means that we take all the worry out. So you give us the design concept, what you're looking for, and we'll handle everything. We spend all the time sourcing the product. We make sure that we're getting exactly what it is that you're looking for, but we're also going to house that product until it's ready for installation. We're gonna do the complete install, and we're gonna add all the finishing touches and make sure it's exactly what it is that you're looking for your project.